everyone, I am Daniela with SVK and Associates. So I'm continuing our video series on vCAD. In the last video, I went ahead and showed everybody how you would create a brand new vCAD instance. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to log in via web browser and via desktop client. So first, I will click here to connect on that link. I'll be prompted for some login credentials. And I'll select login. And now that the computer has finished loading that up, I can see my vCAD instance. This looks very much like a regular desktop computer. As you can see here, I have Solidworks preloaded, I have e-drawings, and really you can select whichever applications you'd like to have loaded on here, including your VPN client if needed. So now that I've logged in via web browser, we'll go ahead and do the same on desktop client. I'm just going to take this URL here, select copy, and open up our nice DCV desktop client. Go back, and here is where I will paste the address of this machine. Now here I'm being prompted to connect. I'm simply going to use the exact same credentials I used before and hit login. And here we are. This is the exact same machine. Another added perk here at vCAD is that you can have two users accessing the machine at once. This is particularly helpful for collaboration. So here you are, two ways to access your vCAD instance, whether you're on the go using web browser or if you're at your computer using the desktop client. For the next video, we'll go ahead and focus on how to stop your vCAD instance once you've completed your work.